Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your language in your Trust Wallet. It's a quick and simple tutorial, so make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Also guys, if you haven't signed up to Binance, I will leave the link in the description for you to sign up and get a $100 bonus. But let's go straight to the tutorial. So on Trust Wallet, you want to be on homepage, for example, and click at the top left corner where it's a gear icon, so like settings. Click on it. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see preferences. So this gear icon right there. And from here, you can choose your currency and app language. So click on app language. And as you can see now, my iPhone opens up. So basically, Trust Wallet application language will be the same as your iPhones, for example. So you want to go ahead and change your phone's language, and then it will change on your Trust Wallet. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.